KitKat Lay, the crispy chocolate treat with a familiar, delightful flavor loved by millions worldwide.
Beneath that iconic red wrapper lies a fascinating and meticulous production process. Have you ever wondered what makes KitKat so irresistibly enticing?
Today, join us as we dive into the surprising journey of how KitKat is made.
Where over 8 million bars are crafted every single day.
This sweet adventure is sure to leave you craving a break and a KitKat.
All right, 205 kilograms. Make a note of that.
These are exceptionally good quality today.
Yes, very few damaged ones in this batch.
Set it down slowly.
All right, grab the ropes. Let's tie it down tight.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how KitKat is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Did you verify the shipment number here?
Yes, it matches the manifest.
Achieving this silky smooth texture requires the perfect balance of cocoa, milk, and sugar, ensuring every bite is simply irresistible.
The mixing speed is stabilizing now.
All right, monitor the viscosity closely for the next cycle.
Temperature is steady at 300 Kelvin.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how KitKat is made. 这里能在 P2 from start to finish.
Crispy, chocolatey, and perfectly balanced duo, the classic KitKat never disappoints. 10 out of 10.
The texture is perfect, and you can really taste the quality of the chocolate. It's very satisfying.